If you've seen any of our videos recently, you know I've talked a lot, almost ad nauseum, about a product called Advanced Gum Health. Patented product with Fozident, developed by Dr. Emily Stein, who's a microbiologist with a PhD in immunology. These lozenges were developed to help treat gum disease, and her target audience was mostly memory care people who had bad gum disease because they wouldn't allow people to brush their teeth or wouldn't do them herself. A lot of science behind this. This stuff works. And in my work with Dr. Stein, because I've met with her in person once, a remarkable afternoon that I spent with her. Through that relationship, she's exposed me to a product called Teef for Life, which is really the same formulation, just in a powdered formula, mostly for cats and dogs. It's a powder that's added to drinking water, and it's a little kit that you can get, and it comes with a glass jar and a powder packet. The powder packet is then put into the glass jar, and a tiny little measuring scoop to measure that powder that's put into your pet's drinking water. And she recommends that you just add it to every time you make a water change for your pets or your pet, you add a scoop of this for gum health. And she's written a white paper, which is, again, remarkable research. And I'm just going to kind of show a little bit about some of the results that we're seeing and how much it cleans up some of the tartar and buildup on teeth. And these are dogs. This is actually the dog of a veterinarian that she's working with. How much healthier their gums look. One of our employees is using it. A little dog with some bad gum problems. They're telling me his breath is so much better. And so I think, again, in her research, it's something that really, really works. And it's kind of hard sometimes when you have to take your animal to get their teeth cleaned. They need to be sedated. It's kind of hard on them. I think this could be an answer, or at least adjunctive therapy, to keep the gums and teeth that much more healthy in your animal population. Now, these are cats and dog formulations. Once you purchase the kit with the jar, then you can purchase refill sachets that basically you're just dumping the powder into the jar, and there's a replacement scoop with that. Dr. Emily's telling me that she's working with some zoos in the country. You think about big cats and big primates, they've got to be very difficult to treat when they have some gum problems. And she's reporting some very, very positive outcomes in her zoo community when they're really just adding this to their drinking water. So another product that I'm super proud that I'm allowed to buy from Dr. Stein's company, an offer for you to help your animal population. Again, it's Teef for Life, and it's either for cats, different kits for dogs and different kits for cats, pretty much the same formulation, little bit difference. So again, Teef for Life.